Have you ever pondered about the magical ability of art to express the inexpressible and paint the invisible? Every artist, big or small, successful or struggling, has a unique journey. A journey that is often filled with a blend of struggle, passion, determination, and achievement. Consider the story of Sophia, an artist who has managed to carve a niche in the world of art. Her story is not just about her success, but about her resilience, her unwavering belief in her talent, and her love for art that transcended all boundaries. Born in a small town, Sophia's passion for art was ignited at a young age. She was mesmerized by the power of colors and how they could breathe life into a blank canvas. However, her journey was not easy. With limited resources and barely any guidance, Sophia had to navigate her path into the world of art. She started by using simple materials she could find around her house. Old newspapers, discarded magazines, broken crayons, they all became her canvas. She was not deterred by the lack of fancy art supplies. Instead, she used her creativity to turn everyday objects into beautiful pieces of art. Sophia's journey was filled with challenges. There were times when she felt lost, unsure of her talent. There were moments of self-doubt, moments when she questioned her abilities. But she did not let these setbacks stop her. She continued to create, to express herself through her art. Over time, Sophia's unique style started to gain recognition. She was invited to local art exhibitions, her work was featured in local newspapers, and she even won a couple of art competitions. But more than the recognition, it was the joy of creating art that kept Sophia going. Sophia's journey is a testament to the fact that art is not just about talent. It is about passion, determination, and the courage to express oneself. It is about finding beauty in the ordinary, about turning the mundane into the extraordinary. So, why not take a leaf out of Sophia's book? Why not start creating your own art? You don't need fancy art supplies or a degree in fine arts. All you need is a spark of creativity and the courage to express yourself. Remember, every artist was once an amateur. Every masterpiece was once a blank canvas. Every great artist, like Sophia, started somewhere. So why not start now? Start with whatever you have, wherever you are. Art is not about perfection. It's about expression. It's about finding your voice. And who knows, maybe one day, your art will inspire others, just like Sophia's art inspired many. So pick up that pencil, that brush, or that crayon. Start creating. Start expressing. Start making your mark in the world of art. Because in the end, it's not just about creating art. It's about creating a part of yourself, a part that will live on forever in your art. And that's the power of art. That's the magic of creativity. So embrace it, cherish it, and most importantly, believe in it. Because in the world of art, the possibilities are endless.